guys have a lot of problems to do. Which one? 206. Okay. 206. Give me a number.
Oh, I know. Never mind.
4.
4, really?
Yeah.
Drew, is that what you wanted to see?
Is your name on it?
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay, number 4. All right, Chris, go ahead and begin. Okay.
That's like, whoa. Oh, I guess I can't use your full name.
Okay, guys.
Like scream my name right now.
Guys, stop. My God, my Algebra 1 kids have been more mature than this. Okay.
But we're special.
Okay, now, when you are applying shifts to a function given as a connection of line segments, okay, as I said in class yesterday, all I want you to pay attention to are the points. Just pay attention to the points. Now for this one, okay, this is f of x. Question 4 says graph g of x, which is f of x plus 1? Minus 1 in parentheses. Okay? If you have a plus or minus 1 that is snuggled up to the x inside the function, inside these parentheses, then it is a counterintuitive shift left or right. So in a different color, I'm going to take each of these 3 points and I'm going to move them over to the right.
Did you just pick those points?
No.
They were given and labeled in the picture.
And I forgot to put the parentheses on the other -2 too.
Deal.
I did.
Never
I
mind.
did. Thank you. Okay? That's a very bad place for me to write those. So I'm going to put my new function.
Did we have to grab the old function?
I don't remember if the directions said you had to or not. I don't believe so. Yeah. I don't believe you had to. It just said graph. Yeah, just graph each function g. Okay, so number 8 then says, see how many different colors I've got up here. Not too many today. Number 8 says g of x equals negative f of x, correct? Okay, now that's like a negative a. I gave you kind of 2 definitions of having a coefficient out here. 2 different ones, okay? The second one is the better one for this. All right, and what this does with a negative, it moves the y. This is going to flip it to the other side of the x-axis. Okay, that's what this negative sign out here. Take all your y values and make them negative. So that's going to take this f of x and move it down here. Now to be really sure that I know what you're doing, you should be labeling points. So this should be -2, -2. This should be 2, -2. This should be 0, -2. Please tell me if I do this incorrectly. And then up here in green, I should have labeled this as, well, you tell me what point that's going to be.
Which point?
The one at the end.
3,
4, 2. Excellent. And this will be 2, 2.
Why? Why isn't it?
Dana's favorite point on the graph, 2, 2.
4, 2. Why isn't it 3?
I want to.
Oh, good point. What did this say to do? How many units did this say?
1.
1. So you know what? I did this one incorrectly. Brandon went with me.
I would have went to drawing.
You did a very good job of following the drawing, but I did the drawing incorrectly. Okay, guys, nobody's participation points rate is helped by not catching that. So this is -1, 2.
Didn't we catch that though? Yeah, we
You did, but it took
it.
a while. Someone eventually did. 3, 2.
must be a mistake.
Very good.
Wait, I have a question.
Yes, Lauren.
Okay, I will not use your own name.
You can't, in fact, you use your
Your drawing
first
is
name.
so bad. If you look down, like right below the 3,
Let's all get fake
like
names.
2 negative.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Oh.
That's why I'm labeling it to be certain. Yes.
So,
Lauren has a question.
is it alright
Hey, Lauren.
if I don't label the points and I just label the function?
That's fine for now, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, on the test, read the directions on the test, because I may say label the points.
Okay, 'cause it's just.
But on this homework, I'll accept it that way. Okay. Other of these people got stuck on?
Oh.
Lauren.
Okay. Let's see.
What did we go up to again?
There. Wait. 40 and 44.
40 and 44. Okay, 40 and 44 refer to that y equals f of x with the 2 parallel lines down there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and erase this beautiful piece of artwork, take one last look at it.
And then we'll see it again on YouTube.
Yes, actually, as much as you want to.
Wait, are kids allowed to take videos of other kids?
No. Absolutely not.
Well, I mean,
Not like last year.
Pardon?
wait.
No.
It was
Wait a
one
minute.
issue.
There, yeah, that's a story someone can tell you later.
Wait a minute. Last year there was a video editing class.
Yeah, that's a little different.
Oh.
It's different when it's part of a school authorized activity.
Okay then.
Yeah.
Good, because
Um,
I was part of the video editing
Yeah,
class.
you didn't do anything wrong.
Which one are we on?
We're doing 40 and 44. Is that right, Lauren?
Yes, it is.
Okay, please help me draw these. Help make sure that I draw these lines correctly. Looks like the first one goes from the origin out to here like that. And what's that open circle mean?
Including.
Actually, not including. This means this point doesn't exist.
We're ostracizing that point.
We're ostracizing that point. That's a great one. Use a horrible social phenomenon as an example. Okay, good. 1, 2, 3,
Can we
4.
mention other people's names on here? No, we can't.
Yeah, you
Can
can.
if you call my like Mr.
No, you can. You can mention teachers.
Okay,
It's
so
just-
yours
Your
is
name
Laura,
is
not you.
like on your shirt.
Yeah, I know. I'm allowed. I'm an employee.
Never mind. It's not relevant.
Can we call you
Okay.
by your first name?
No. Okay, so this is y equals
Call you
f
by
of
your
x.
middle name?
Hold on a sec. Quick question. Is this really a function?
No, because
Maybe.
the
Oh.
thing. No, actually, yes, it is.
Yes, it is. Wait, the circle's not included.
The circle's not included, Stephen.
So it's not.
Okay.
I mean, it is.
It's a
So it
function.
is, yes.
It's a function.
Okay. Okay, if you apply the vertical line test to this, okay? Line passes once, line passes twice. It can look for a second like the y-axis heads this value and this value, and that would mean it's not a function.
But it doesn't.
But since this open circle means not included, doesn't exist here, the vertical line test is fine, and this is a function all the way through.
Fantabulous.
Incidentally, the domain of this function would be from -4 included to +4 not included. Does that make sense?
Vaguely.
And the range looks to me like it goes up from -2 not included up to 0 included. Is that right?
Yes.
Because on the y-axis at -2, this point and this point aren't included. They're both open circles.
Oh, yeah.
But 0, it is included. Both the places 0 exists. Incidentally, this doesn't have an inverse because it fails a horizontal line test.
So domain is like x.
Domain is x. Yep.
And range is height.
Range is y, yes. Domain is x, range is y. Good question to know. Make sure you know that for the test. Okay, now for the transformations. This is all just to be ready to answer number 40 and 44. You got to understand this. Okay. In red. Sorry, I'm going to erase the party request.
Actually, I thought it was a nap time.
Nap time followed by
Party,
party
math,
request.
and nap.
Okay, number 40 says that g of x is going to be -1/2 f of x minus 2. Okay, -1/2. What's the negative going to do? Flip it up around the x-axis.
It's going to double it because it's a half.
Ooh, this is the one that works intuitively.
Opposite.
Okay. The way I wrote it up there, here's how I wrote it for Lauren, which came in during class for lunch, over on this board in yellow. Okay? Here, Chris, I'll take over the directorial stuff for just a sec. I'll get right back to you. Okay, see if this will show up on it. All right, up there it says that A stretches or compresses Y, and that B, which is inside the function, compresses or stretches X. Then it's got the K and the H moving it right or left.